Pepper wood stove.
Okay, Rylan, we're going to be joining you.
Yeah, let me show you this
Rylan, where are
real quick.
you?
Satya.
I think he may have already.
So not only.
Well, we gotta. He was gonna kill. He was gonna do something bad. We gotta check on him.
Oh, okay.
Also,
All right, so let's go.
He can't be left alone. What?
Okay.
What?
I did it.
Shut up. Where is he?
Dirty loves.
Ryland? Alrighty.
Ah.
All right. Well, I guess we'll find Rylan at some point. So here's the.
Oh my
there
God.
he is. Okay, so here's the bathroom.
You got a fancy toilet.
Yeah, it's a bidet, and this the shower, isn't that cool? And the shower is the best shower I've ever
Yeah, that's
used
super
in my
cool.
life. It is. It's just amazing. And then here they have to install the tub filler. And so there are going to be the risers that go in those piping there, and then this gets moved back, and they also have to redo the claw feet because they're supposed to be. So each foot goes with a particular corner, and the plumber just didn't really pay attention to that. So they aren't really on right. There's a big gap, so they have to do it over again.
Okay.
And then anything else? Yeah, and then they have to rehang this too, and then center this a little bit more, put it down, and then when they found out that they're
Stop
I know.
hiding.
So
Weird though.
thanks, yeah.
What in here?
And then there's floor, the heating too, the floor.
Yeah.
Is this a bath?
That's nice.
Is this a bath?
It is. It's a bath. Yeah. Isn't that cool? Yeah. So what this is part of the bathtub that's gonna make it so that we can use it in the future. So right now it's still not quite put together.
Oh!
Yeah, and then this is the guest room. This is the guest room. Yeah. But right now it's where the workers are sanding the doors. And then they'll be putting stain on the doors. So that's why it's all behind this plastic here. And these are the doors. Yep, that they had their big tool, their big sander tool to sand it. Yeah, and then that's a lock. Yeah, that's right.
But I just locked it.
Can you turn it? That can probably unlock it if you turn it. There you
I
go.
told her.
There you go. A little bit. There you go.
I mean, I just remember.
Mom, you gotta watch it.
Then we put the hardwood floors all the way.
Oh my god. That's super cool, honey. I'm so impressed. So what was this room before?
That's a guest room.
Oh.
So this is where they do
Is this like
sanding and
smaller?
stuff.
Or is this the same size?
This is the same size.
That's
And these things they've always changed around, like all the rooms up here. So you know that big one used to be 2 rooms over on the other side.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I was trying to remember.
Yep. So and they've always there's
Yeah,
always had like one was an office, one was a bedroom, another was a guest room,
Okay.
and then but
Is this
they've
the
all
same size
changed.
bathroom?
No.
Is this
See,
bigger?
yeah, it's
Okay.
bigger, and the
There
same
used to
thing
be
with
a
the
closet
kitchen.
right there.
Yeah, because you
Oh.
remember, there was a closet here.
Okay.
It was the
Like a
when
hall
the house-
closet, like a bathroom
It was a
closet?
hall closet
Okay.
that was where the original staircase used to be.
Yeah.
So it was really narrow and not a very good usable closet.
Okay.
Yeah, so we didn't really want it. We preferred the space instead. So
Yeah.
now we have a better bathroom and a better kitchen.
I
Bigger. And
like
then,
the wide baseboards. Good choice.
yeah, thanks. Yeah. And then you see the solar tubes. Yeah.
Yeah, those are cool.
Aren't they
what
cool?
are those? What are-
Well, they are.
Are they like a version of a skylight?
Yeah, they are. Yeah, originally I wanted a skylight in the bathroom, but they couldn't accommodate because of the closet, of the walk-in closet.
Okay.
They didn't know at that point when we were making the plans and figuring everything out, we didn't know what the roof line would be like for the closet, and then when
Yeah.
we figured out, they discovered it was impossible. Then we thought I always wanted a tube here, and And then we thought, well, we'd do a tube in there,
Okay.
but they couldn't even do a tube in the closet just because of the way the roof line was. So,
Yeah.
in the bathroom, I mean. So we have the 2 here.
Okay.
So we kind of redistributed the resources,
Yeah.
and then had the 2 here.
Yeah, I like that.
Isn't that cool? Yeah.
So
and then
that's just like open to this like roof, sun?
yeah,
It actually,
Or is
they
that
probably
actually a
more
light?
like here.
it's
And then,
it is the sun.
and then it,
Okay.
yeah.
And
But it
there-
And that's
reflects
just like
through.
the material of that thing is just like roughed up or like made to look like that.
I guess.
It is like a baffle, I think is what they call it. So
Okay.
it's like it's like a screen to filter the light. Yeah, and there's a something solar, so it collects solar throughout
So
the
that's what I
day.
was gonna say, so at night you still get the light
exactly,
too,
you still
okay.
get the light. Not as bright, and
Yeah.
it dims as the time goes on. But
That's
there's
cool.
still it's
I haven't heard of it.
yeah, it's
I really
cool.
like it though. I mean, I would have some like
Kind of
that
permanent
because
moonlight.
I've heard like skylights can be a bitch.
Yeah.
People don't ever usually do them anymore because they're like notorious for just having issues and issues and
Issues,
issues. So they
leaks, yeah.
like people don't like ever do that anymore. Like it's usually only in like the 80s was a big thing.
And then she has one.
And then there's
Oh, yeah.
there's
I
one in
think that
there,
was
so
nice.
I never have to have. Yeah, so it's great. I mean, it's and there is a light there too. But even at night, so I mean, there's enough in there at night so that you can see your way around
Yep.
throughout
And
the
you're
evening.
probably not going
You
in
never
there
have to turn it on.
getting dressed a lot at night anyway.
Yeah, yeah, right.
I mean, you know, usually get dressed during the day.
Yeah.
So at night's probably not as huge.
Yeah. Right, right.
Yeah, I like the doors. That's the pattern that I prefer too, and I love the trim.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
I
Yeah, we
love
just
it
decided to go
too.
natural.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it is
I like
there
it.
is a stain on it, but
Just
it's a
natural
stain that
stain.
makes it super
Yeah.
So
natural.
it's not really a stain. It's just.
Do they call it a stain? I don't.
No,
Yeah,
it's the
it's
finish. It's essentially a glorified linseed oil.
Oh.
it's something we
Protects
highly
it.
recommend. Yeah, if you're ever looking for it, and they have like 52 colors or something like that, so it protects wood. It's marine grade.
What are you doing? Going to the bathroom? You're going to poop? Okay. You just want to have me help you wake you? Sure.
Someone is snacking.
Oh.
That's my bad. You guys have water?
Yeah, we do. So I will show you where the water is. So we are still, we don't have our, like, dishware and stuff yet. So we have, like, not much. But I do believe we have a glass. We do. We have a glass. Yay. Okay, so, so you have a choice between room temperature filtered water that probably tastes a little bit better, or because they haven't done the tubing, they haven't hooked up the water filter and stuff like that, or cold natural spring water from cups. So it's up to you, whichever one you want. Okay. Do you prefer your water cold or warm? You don't care? Okay. Okay. All right. Well, this is better water. It's better quality. better for you. Yes. And so how this works is you just put it under there and then you go like that until you have as much as you want. You're welcome. So, how's your dad doing?
Good.
Oh.
What's going on? Do you want a snack?
All right. Well, very good. So, you guys have snacks. I see that.
Look my dip.
I see the Pringles sticking out of the bag.
Dip. Hum.
Okay.
So, are you Pringles fans?
No, I don't like Pringles.
Somebody like Pringles, or do you use the Pringles can for something
Look
else?
down there.
Alan just gave it to us as we left.
Oh, maybe he doesn't like Pringles either.
I think Nova likes Pringles.
Hey, look down there.
Do you have a
Oh,
YouTube
We're
channel?
not, we're
right.
not going downstairs.
Wait, you have a dinosaur?
Look down there.
Can I see it?
Well,
Here.
if
let's
it's
have some.
okay with your mom, it's up to your mom.
Look down there.
there is a basement, and if
Okay.
it's okay with your mom, we will show you. But
Mom,
if
I
not,
already asked.
I want to see. I
Yeah?
want to see.
So, Mom, we can.
I don't care.
all right. So,
Brown, wear your
here we go.
shoes.
Yeah, there's a very
We need your shoes.
and it's
Why?
Because it's dirty down there.
it's not too bad, but it's it's not super
Get your
clean,
shoes
but
on.
it's not too bad.
Is this what I beat
Huh?
or not?
Yeah.
I can't walk down that ball, Nana. You gotta come down.
I will.
The wood hold that.
It's pretty cool. Wait, do you have a YouTube channel yet?
Come on.
What?
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Come on, Mom.
I do, but I haven't done anything yet. I haven't posted. But this might be the first posting.
Yeah, you guys do this.
Here's the baby down. There's the tea.
All right, so we'll turn this
Is
on.
that tea? What that bone thing? What that thing?
So as you know,
It's
nothing
a
has been
wheel-
really
it's a
designed yet
wheel
because we don't know what
Hey, is that
what when
real
we're gonna have.
bone?
Yeah.
Is that real bone?
That's
Yeah.
a real phone. Yes, it is. I don't know if it's plugged in yet. Let's see. I don't think it is. I don't think it is yet. But when it is, next time you're here and it's plugged in, you can pick it up and hear it ring and maybe even call someone.
Look down now.
That's a drain. That's a drain. That's where the water goes when there's too much water down here. Yeah, it is pretty dirty, isn't it, this floor?
Wow.
So,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Hey, come look at this.
What?
Yeah.
What is here?
Well, so let's see. Let's turn on
That's
the
the
light.
washer and the dryer.
Yeah, it's the washer and the dryer. They've got to
Look
hook the
at
washer up
that.
now and
Look
make it
at
so it's
that.
straight. And this is the sink. This is the sink.
What do you do?
And the sink, you just pour
What did that
water.
thing do?
And then that will transport water. So if you have that hooked up to something,
I don't have that.
you don't have one of those?
No, I just had a really big bat and a small one and a big one.
Oh, I see. Really? What color are they? Do you remember?
The orange and the white.
Oh, really? Okay. Which one is the big one?
The orange and white.
Okay.
The big one is my bathroom.
I see. Mm-hmm.
And the other one is my bathroom.
I see. I see. I see.
This is so cool. That. What do this
And
do?
that's the light. Did you notice? Yeah, see over here? What happens when you turn it on and off? Yeah. Those are all the lights. That controls, how many lights do we have? 1, 2, 3,
How do you turn
4,
that
5,
light
6, 7.
How do you turn that light on?
That's a good question. I think maybe that. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you turn that one on? Can you go down the dark and see anything?
Do you
I like the Gary.
yeah?
I like Gary.
You like scary?
Yeah.
You like scary movies?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
they go. Come up here so I can go to the door.
All right.
How do you read that?
Oh, I think you have to actually go over there and bring it over.
There you go.
Yeah, whoops. There
I
you,
got spider web.
there you go.
Why?
I think can you turn the knob? You turn the knob as you bring it forward towards you.
How do
Can
you
you do
go
it at the
there?
same time?
How do you go?
Would you like a little help? Okay,
Yeah.
so see what I'm doing is I'm just pulling it this way. I'm going like that. You want to try yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
No bag right now. I can see it from up here.
Mm-hmm.
You're not gonna open the door because you done it.
Yeah. Yeah. Very good.
What?
That's a long step, isn't it? That is super high. Yeah. I know.
We have to really long step.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, very long step. Have you ever seen one that long before? That you
No.
know of? Yeah, I don't think I have either. Yeah.
That's a really
Ravenna, do you want some pretzels?
Can I take my shoes on?
Yeah, sure you can.
Oh, I'm wet.
If it's okay with
I'm
Mom.
bored, Daddy.
But you had your shoes off earlier, so I have the feeling that it is.
What out there?
Which one?
It's just a room.
Oh yeah, that's that. It used to be our greenhouse. Do you know what a greenhouse is?
What?
A greenhouse is a house for plants. It's where plants grow. A place that they get lots of sun. Because if you can see how there's so much sun coming through there, there is no, the roof is just, yeah, it's see-through. So the sun comes right through.
No. It's mine.
Okay, you got pretzels, Rylan?
But I gave me some sausage.
Oh, you want these kind?
Yeah.
Okay, give me the pretzels. Give me the pretzels. Ravenna, I want a Dad's pretzel, please. I know, but you don't want anything to eat? I need a couple more. Because then I want to put, here.
You know what? I think
No.
when you see wrestling, you are just going to go, wow.
And where was the cow?
Mm.
Skated near it?
Sarah Bennett.
How do you
Can you
want
get
to
one?
get that really busy then? Busy.
Busy?
What?
Yeah. Oh, what's this? What's this for?
That is,
That's a footrest.
it's a place to for boys to sit on, and it's a place for big people to put their feet when they're sitting in big chairs. Yeah, it's kind of comfortable.
What's Mom?
I think she's in the kitchen. Do we have I think I hear Ravenna somewhere. Oh, there she is. There's Ravenna.
I want you to sit next to me.
You what?